Very good evening. Thanks for joining us here on Mirror Now. I am Afrida Rahman Ali. In a big win to former Amnesty India chief Aakar Patel, the Roos Avenue court upheld the magistrate court order in directing CBI to immediately withdraw the lookout circular issued against Aakar Patel. The court, however, put conditions that the former Amnesty India head, Aakar Patel, cannot travel abroad without the permission of the court. The court also set aside the direction which sought a written apology from the CBI director to Patel. Meanwhile, also, Aakar Patel has been asked to appear before the trial court in a week's time. My colleague Nilashish joining us with more inputs. Nilashish, take us through the important updates. We've seen a lot of flip-flops and ups and downs for Aakar Patel. This looks like a relief for him from the higher court after he was restrained with a lookout notice.
Well, yes, absolutely. The Roos Avenue court has upheld the magistrate court's order, which had directed the CBI to immediately recall the lookout circular which was issued against Aakar Patel in a case of alleged FCRA violations. However, the relief is partial at the moment because there are conditions that have been put out as far as this particular order is concerned. Two of these conditions are that Patel will appear before the trial court in a week's time, and secondly, Patel will not be allowed to travel abroad without the permission of the court. Now, this is an aspect which is of significance because the entire matter emanated from the fact that Patel was looking to go to the United States of America and deliver a couple of lectures at various universities. Now, as far as this order is concerned, Patel, we will expect to seek permission now that he has received this order with these conditions, because on the 19th of April, he was due to go to the United States and deliver another lecture. So as far as this particular order is concerned, in addition to upholding the order of directing the CBI to immediately withdraw the LOC, the magistrate court, I beg your pardon, had also asked the CBI director to issue a written apology to Patel, but that aspect of the order has been set aside by the special CBI judge in this case. So that aspect, of course, will not be applicable anymore. In addition to this, also, the court had asked the CBI to assess and scrutinize the manner in which they were issuing lookout circulars. That aspect also has been scrapped by the court because nowhere in the initial petition was it said that such directions be passed. There was no such prayer to that effect. Therefore, the court found it wise to not allow that aspect to take place. But yes, the lookout circular has to be revoked with immediate effect. But as far as traveling abroad is concerned, Patel yet needs to seek permission from the court before he can actually step out of the country.
Okay. Nilashish, thanks very much for joining us with the important inputs on the story.